Everyone. So, if you're watching Boston Blue season 1, episode 18, is one of those episodes where two storylines run side by side, but only one of them really lands. Let's start with the weaker thread. The team up between Danny Reagan and Erin Reagan should have been a highlight. Their sibling dynamic is always fun to watch, and there's a built-in chemistry there that usually elevates any case they are involved in. But this time, the case works against them. The premise, trusting a known serial killer to lead them into a missing girl, feels shaky right from the start, and instead of grounding it in realism, the episode leans into increasingly questionable decision, letting the suspect dictate terms, sharing personal information, even loosening restraints. It all feels like smart policing and more like plot convenience. The biggest issue is simple: there's no real reason to trust him. He admits he is a liar, he manipulates constantly, and yet Danny and Erin go along with it anyway. It creates tension, sure, but it also makes them look far less competent than they should be. In a genre that thrives on sharp decision making and procedural accuracy, that's hard to ignore. Things escalate exactly how you would expect: a setup, a betrayal, and a dangerous situation that could have been avoided. The callback to classic Blue Bloods themes is there, but it comes wrapped in a storyline that feels overly contrived. And honestly, it's surprising the episode resolves as cleanly as it does. Now, on the flip side, Lena's storyline is where this episode really shines. Lena's emotional journey carries the heart of the episode. Her search for her birth father starts as a deeply personal mission, especially coming right after a high point in her career. There's a sense of hope, curiosity, and vulnerability that feels grounded and real. And then the twist hits. What makes it work isn't just the surprise, it's how layered it is. Just when it seems like Lena is finally getting answers, the story pulls the rug out from under her with even more secrets. The reveal involving Asher and her half sister adds a soap like complexity, but it's built on emotional groundwork that makes it land. It's messy, it's uncomfortable, and it feels authentic. A big part of that tension comes from May, whose continued refusal to tell the full truth is clearly doing more harm than good. Her intentions might be protective, but the result is the opposite: more confusion, more pain, and a deeper fracture in her relationship with Lena. Meanwhile, Edwin's medical storyline adds another layer of realism. The hospital scenes feel grounded in a way the crime plot doesn't. Waiting for news, dealing with fear, navigating family dynamics, all relatable. Even though some moments push the drama a bit too far, the emotional core holds up. Put together, this episode feels like two completely different shows. The one is a grounded, character-driven drama about identity, family, and truth. The other is a high-stakes procedural that sacrifices realism for tension and doesn't quite stick the landing. That's why this ends up being a strong episode overall, despite its flaws. Because while Danny and Erin's storyline may feel like wild goose chase, Lena's journey delivers something much more meaningful, and in the end, that's the story that stays with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.